Hello everyone. If your mobile phone's battery is draining faster, you don't need to worry because in this today's video I am going to show you some of the settings in your phone and some of my personal tips by using which you can make your mobile phone's battery last much more longer than earlier. So number one is you need to uninstall all those unused apps in your phone because those apps drain your battery in background. You never use those apps. It just makes your phone battery drain much more faster. So you need to uninstall all those apps which you are not using. Number two, for number two, you need to go to your mobile phone settings and in there you need to find Google. So it is in here, so you need to tap in here, and in fourth you see devices. You need to click in here and you can see here scan for nearby devices. So what does this do is it scans for other devices which is nearby to connect. So you need to turn off this. It uses your device battery in the background. And another one, you need to go to connections in your settings, and in here you need to find more connections settings. You need to tap in there, and here also you will see nearby device scanning. You need to turn off this one also. By turning this two off, your phone's battery will last little bit longer. And another one is you need to always use dark colored wallpaper. You can see this wallpaper, it is light color, so it uses more phone's battery. So you need to change the wallpaper and change it into black. So by changing the wallpaper into black, it consumes much more less battery. So another one is you need to go to your status bar on your mobile phone and you need to turn on this dark mode. So when you turn this on, everything in your phone becomes dark, so it consumes much more less battery. So last one is you need to go to your keypad and here you need to dial star hash 9900 hash, and this menu will pop up, and here you need to scroll down and there you will find battery states reset. So this will reset your battery uses and which will make your battery last much more longer. So by using all this you can make your mobile phone's battery last much more longer.